Let's go over how to get the best sound from your headset. Number 1 is speaker placement. The speakers need to be centered directly over your ears, maybe not necessarily where that manufacturer supplied those speaker cutouts. Take some time making small adjustments using the Velcro, and you'll notice a few millimeters can make a huge difference on the road. Here's an example.
Hello.
Even the smallest change has a big effect. That brings us to tip number 2. Often these foamy little spacers seem to get forgotten. The thin spacers can be used to fill those provided speaker cutouts if needed for extra flexibility in placing the speakers where you need them. Speakers too far from your ear allow wind noise and interference to get in between. These stackable spacers can push the speakers closer, decreasing that space. In helmets like this one, with speaker pockets in the cheek pads, the spacers can still be used behind the cheek pad, again, pushing the speakers out and decreasing the space between your ear. Number 3. The foam covers with hook fasteners may provide additional comfort and preserve audio clarity. Number 4. Device volume. Whatever media device you have paired to your headset, be it your phone, MP3 player, or even whole motorcycle system, crank that thing up. You want full volume being broadcast to your headset, and then fine-tune the levels there. While we're on the subject of devices, number 5, Audio Boost. While you're paired to your phone and using the Sena utility app, you can turn on Audio Boost, boosting the volume delivered to the speakers a little bit more. Tip number 6 may seem a little counterintuitive, but earplugs do a great job of reducing wind noise, so you can hear that sound delivered to your speakers more clearly. And, in the long run, it can help your hearing, keeping you out there riding connected into the ears. Bonus tip: for some users with a more race-inspired helmet that tends to run a little bit more narrow with less room for speakers, users using the clamp kits of the 20S, 20S Evo, or 30K could also opt for the alternative slim speakers, taking up a little bit less of a footprint inside of their narrow helmets. Similarly, if low profile is your thing, you may be using the Sena SF series. The SF2 and SF4 now offer upgraded HD speakers, adding a little more volume and bass to the SF series line. Simply, getting great sound on the road is done with proper speaker placement and investing a little time customizing it to fit your ears specifically. Help from Sena's users guides can be found online at sena.com, and give us a thumbs up if this helped, or subscribe to stay updated on tutorials, new product previews, and things to come.